Welcome everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how you can enable preview pane inside Gmail. So what you have to do after login to your Gmail account, you have to click here on setting cog icon. Then you have to go to the settings. Here you have to click on labs. If you will scroll down a little bit, you will find this option here, search for a lab. You have to click on preview. After clicking on preview, you can see this option available, labs preview pane. You have to click on enable, click on save changes. Your page will refresh and you will get another option like this here. So click on this arrow icon and you can choose between these options. Now if I click here, I can see preview of my emails on the right hand side. If I choose this, then I can see preview here, just bottom of this section, and I can also stretch this. And if I do not want any split, I do not want to see preview, I can click here like this. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and leave a comment below. See you next video.